she is a drunkard lady or druggist from Reliance Park, and she has robbed this car, and we have caught red-handed. Yesterday night. Take this. Take, sir. Take inside. I'm telling you, sir.
I'll call Nikhil Kabir.
She has robbed lot of things, sir. Lot of things.
I am coming.
Come with me. Okay, you are not drunk. Come with me.
चल सर
रात चोरी गेल्ली गाडी आमल्यान गेल्ले कोलवा पुलीस स्टेशनाक कोलवा पुलीस कांय एक्शन घेल ना ही गाडी गाडी आमच्या शेजऱ्याची सिनियर सिटीजन दोगांय तेंगे घरा हांवें चाय घेवन घेवन
I'll call Nikhil Kabir.
Only to No, sometimes it's a shame that we are staying in this state, you know. She has robbed this car last night from my neighbors, 85 years old. We have made a police complaint. 25 people have signed on that complaint that she's a threat to us. From morning she's roaming with a peppermint spray to spray on me, but the police can't do anything. There's just one lady officer over here.
1 hour, more than 1 hour it has started.
For 2 hours now, us
Yesterday
neighbors.
night we
And
were
she
30
has-
people.
She's a threat to me
They-
now.
they-
The
they-
police know that she has a peppermint spray.
Police will act, no?
One lady they are come with. Shame
And see
on
the
us for
traffic.
paying taxes
See
to
the
this
traffic.
government.
We have informed Kolwa police. They are not able to come here. I don't know what is the reason behind that.
Drunk.
And she is telling that she will hand over the key to PSI Nikhil. What is this?
They are licking yours now.
I don't need anybody to
They are licking yours.
Arey,
Stand on 1 feet.
you're a bloody
Stand on 1 feet.
Go, man.
This is a police complaint. Yesterday evening around 10 o'clock we gave. We found out the car. Still Kolwa police didn't send anybody. We found car in with the lady driving here. This is the second complaint of Reliance Park resident. 30 people have signed that she is a threat to the Reliance Park.
So today what happened here? There was an accident.
She is roaming with the car and police is still not able to find the car, and we have found the car. This is the problem.
Chor, chor, car, your complaint is there. Chor, car has been robbed. There's a police complaint. Itko apat round hai tu.
Apat round, baba.
एक मुंशा एक
Free hours
आम्ही काय सोडले धावून ये झाले ते पोल मागे ते कोतले आणि मग प्रॉब्लेम होतो कवळी आगे यहाँ हो सांगते ते
That uncle has put complaint against you. See, here it is. So why you are roaming with their car? Then they told that I will drop the car. That's what I have come with that. They cannot bring the car.
कितको जाय पुलिस कितको जाय आता
ओके ताकडे विचार ताका विचार मरे मातशें दोन उतरां हांगा.
Are a senior citizen, she's after men. She's a threat to everyone. I don't know why the police is not doing anything about it.
किती करताय तुम्ही
किती ऍक्शन मातशें
Ask the one in one
हेकोइन सर दोन
सर सर प्रॉब्लेम किती आहे
हमको लेडीज पर्सनल
हां
तू राव मोठा बरं आता तो काय आन्सर राव
सर सर किती झाला प्रॉब्लेम
बाहेर ठेवू ना गाडी असं
तुमको जायना रे आता गाडी चोरी म्हणताय मग लोक कोणा उडेल ते कोणा
हॉस्पिटलान सारको जाम डेड ऑर जाल्ले रे हांगा. Run away from here. Bag, everything is there. That pepper spray in was happening. Hello.
ठिकाण ठीक आहे ना
She is telling that if Nikhil PSI comes, then only I will come out. That means night, we have wasted our night.
पुलिसा माल काही नाही पुलिसा माल
आमच्या किती असाले
कटर आधी का
हाती कटोरा
गाडी आडो
तू त्याला गाडी ना समजा चल किती त्या पोया ओके यू ऑल्सो ओके ते चुके मला कधी मला
ऑर्डर करने की
Grips here on my hand.
या लेट्स सी ओके हां
Grips here.
राव तू माकलो
You want to tie cuff this tie at this side. Tie. It's hurting me.
मासी अरे अयो आओ सांगते ती डोंट वरी ए मुझे मोबाइल तुझकडे I will give you all the idea. Just don't create any scene here. Okay? Don't create. Now don't talk.
You shut up.
You also shut up. ए आप गाडी अडसांग आमची असं तर कशी ऐक पाचीच असेल
You all did that to Edgar guys, no? Now you see what I do to you all.
ए मुझे मोबाइल दो ए
Now you see what
बरं तुमच्याच गाडीने घेऊन येतो काय कोण करणार आहे
Student was quiet. No.
You sit.
Leave me, I'll sit.
Sit.
Leave my bag.
Okay.
And give my shoe.
Okay, we are giving. Sir, sir,
Don't push me.
उद्या चढ झाले आता हा. You need cover.
Osman aga safety.
चावी कोणाकडे दिली आहे मोबाईल दी चल येता येता ए चावी कोणाकडे दिली आहे चल यो 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 तू येता उजवर मला आता यो
मॅडम थँक्यू मॅडम थँक्यू
वेलकम
लॉकर फाडला लॉकर रे भाई लॉकर फाडला उडी मारते
Subscribe Prudent Social Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.